Berries got you baffled? With so many types of berries out there, it's easy to get confused. Today, we're going to clear up the mystery surrounding three popular types: white mulberries, red mulberries, and elderberries. Each of these berries has its own unique characteristics, flavors, and uses. By the end of this video, you'll be a berry expert, able to identify and appreciate the differences between these delicious fruits. Let's dive into the juicy details of mulberries and elderberries. Mulberries and elderberries might look similar at first glance, but they come from different plant families and have distinct tastes and nutritional profiles. Understanding these differences can help you make the best choice for your culinary and health needs. First up, white mulberries. These guys are like the vanilla of the berry world, light-colored and sweet. White mulberries are native to China and have been cultivated for thousands of years. They were originally grown for their leaves, which are the primary food source for silkworms. Over time, people discovered that the berries themselves are quite tasty and nutritious. They're perfect for snacking and are often found in dried form. Dried white mulberries have a chewy texture and a honey-like flavor, making them a popular addition to trail mixes, cereals, and baked goods. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and calcium. Plus, they're a good source of dietary fiber, which can help with digestion. Now, red mulberries. These are the wild rebels of the family. Red mulberries are native to North America and are often found growing wild in forests and along roadsides. They're known for their vibrant color and bold flavor, which can range from sweet to tart, depending on their ripeness. They sport a deep red to almost black color and pack a tart punch. Red mulberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. They're also a good source of vitamins A and E, which are important for maintaining healthy skin and eyes. Great for jams and pies. Red mulberries are often used in cooking and baking because of their intense flavor. They can be made into jams, jellies, pies, and even wine. Their tartness pairs well with sweet ingredients, creating a balanced and delicious treat. But wait, elderberries are here to crash the party. Elderberries are another type of berry that's often confused with mulberries. They come from the sambucus plant, which is part of the Adoxaceae family. Elderberries have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are known for their immune-boosting properties. These tiny, dark purple berries are loaded with antioxidants. Elderberries are particularly high in anthocyanins, which give them their deep purple color and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antiviral effects. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. They're a bit too tart to munch on raw, but make amazing syrups and wines. Elderberries are often used to make syrups, which can be taken as a supplement to help prevent and treat colds and flu. They can also be made into wine, which has a rich, fruity flavor and is often enjoyed as a dessert wine. So, how to tell them apart? It can be tricky to distinguish between white mulberries, red mulberries, and elderberries, especially if you're not familiar with their characteristics. But with a few key tips, you'll be able to identify them with ease. White mulberries often grow on trees with light bark, while red mulberries prefer darker, rougher trunks. The bark of the tree can be a helpful clue when trying to identify mulberries. White mulberry trees have smooth, light-colored bark, while red mulberry trees have darker, more textured bark. Elderberries? Look for clumps of small berries hanging from bushy shrubs. Elderberry plants are typically bushy and produce clusters of small, dark purple berries. The berries grow in large, flat-topped clusters, which can help you distinguish them from mulberries. Quick-tip mulberries have a long, cylindrical shape. Mulberries are elongated and cylindrical, with a shape that's similar to a raspberry or blackberry. This is one of the easiest ways to tell them apart from elderberries, which are round and much smaller. Elderberries are tiny and round. Easy peasy. Elderberries are small and round, with a diameter of about 1/8 inch. They grow in dense clusters and have a smooth, shiny surface. Their small size and round shape make them easy to distinguish from the larger cylindrical mulberries. And remember, never eat raw elderberries. They need a little cooking to be safe. Raw elderberries contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when ingested. Cooking elderberries breaks down these compounds, making them safe to eat. Always cook elderberries before consuming them to avoid any potential health risks. So next time you're berry hunting, you'll know what's what. Happy gardening, everyone. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to confidently identify and enjoy white mulberries, red mulberries, and elderberries. Whether you're foraging in the wild, shopping at a farmer's market, or growing your own berries at home, you'll have the skills to make the most of these delicious and nutritious fruits. Happy gardening and happy berry hunting. Welcome back, berry enthusiasts. Now that you can tell your mulberries from your elderberries, it's time to delve into why you should include these berries in your diet. In this chapter, we'll explore the fantastic health benefits of consuming both mulberries and elderberries, and how they can contribute to your overall well-being. First up, let's talk about the immune-boosting powers of elderberries. Elderberries are renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep purple hue. These powerful antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting a robust immune system. Studies have shown that elderberry extracts can reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms. So next time you feel a sniffle coming on, consider reaching for some elderberry syrup. But that's not all. Elderberries are also rich in vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune function. Just a small serving of elderberries can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs, helping to keep your immune system in top shape and ward off infections. Next, let's turn our attention to mulberries. These berries are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. White mulberries in particular are an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Consuming white mulberries can help ensure your bones stay strong and healthy. Red mulberries, on the other hand, are loaded with vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. The antioxidants in red mulberries, such as resveratrol, also contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative damage to blood vessels. Including red mulberries in your diet can support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Both white and red mulberries are high in dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Adding mulberries to your diet can improve digestion and support overall gut health. Elderberries also contribute to digestive health, thanks to their high fiber content. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of elderberries can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. So, whether you're snacking on dried white mulberries, baking with red mulberries, or sipping on elderberry syrup, you're not just enjoying a delicious treat, you're also reaping a host of health benefits. These berries are a fantastic addition to any diet, offering a natural and tasty way to boost your immune system, support heart health, and improve digestion. And there you have it. The health benefits of mulberries and elderberries are truly impressive. By incorporating these berries into your diet, you can support your overall well-being and enjoy delicious flavors at the same time. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll explore some creative and tasty ways to incorporate these berries into your meals. Happy berry munching. Welcome back, berry enthusiasts. Now that we've explored the fantastic health benefits of mulberries and elderberries, it's time to get practical. In this chapter, we'll provide you with some creative and tasty ways to incorporate these nutritious berries into your daily diet. Whether you prefer smoothies, salads, or desserts, there are plenty of delicious options to enjoy these super berries. First, let's start with breakfast. Adding mulberries and elderberries to your morning routine is a great way to kickstart your day with a burst of nutrients. Try blending a handful of fresh or frozen mulberries and elderberries into a smoothie with your favorite fruits, a splash of almond milk, and a spoonful of Greek yogurt. This berry smoothie not only tastes amazing, but also provides you with a healthy dose of vitamins and antioxidants to fuel your morning. If you're a fan of yogurt bowls, sprinkle some dried white mulberries on top along with granola and a drizzle of honey. The natural sweetness of the mulberries pairs perfectly with the creamy yogurt, creating a delightful and nutritious breakfast option. Next, let's move on to lunch. Salads are an excellent way to incorporate mulberries and elderberries into your meals. Toss a handful of fresh red mulberries into your favorite green salad for a pop of color and a burst of flavor. You can also make a delicious elderberry vinaigrette by mixing elderberry syrup with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a touch of Dijon mustard. This tangy dressing adds a unique twist to your salads and boosts their nutritional value. For a refreshing snack, consider making mulberry and elderberry popsicles. Blend fresh mulberries and elderberries with a bit of water and a touch of honey, then pour the mixture into popsicle molds and freeze. These homemade popsicles are a perfect treat on a hot day and a fun way to enjoy the health benefits of these berries. Now let's talk about desserts. Mulberries and elderberries can be used to create mouth-watering desserts that are both delicious and nutritious. Try baking a mulberry crumble by combining fresh mulberries with a mixture of oats, almond flour, and a bit of coconut sugar. Bake until golden and bubbly for a warm, comforting dessert. Elderberry syrup can also be used to make a delightful elderberry panna cotta. Simply mix elderberry syrup with gelatin and a bit of cream, then let it set in the fridge. This elegant dessert is sure to impress your guests and provide a sweet end to any meal. Finally, don't forget about beverages. Elderberry tea is a soothing drink that can be enjoyed hot or iced. Simply steep dried elderberries in hot water for a few minutes, strain and sweeten with honey if desired. This antioxidant-rich tea is a wonderful way to unwind and support your immune system. Incorporating mulberries and elderberries into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. With these practical tips and recipes, you can easily enjoy the health benefits of these super berries in a variety of delicious ways. So, go ahead and get creative in the kitchen, and happy berry munching. Stay tuned for more berry goodness, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.